Life is a journey, and the reason for it is you. And this is the car that's ready for your journey. Let's get ready for the weekend getaway. Well, easy. Fold up the back seat and install the child car seat in no time. Luggage? There's plenty of room in the spacious trunk. Plus, room for those little extras. When your hands are full, the Mazda CX-5 keeps them free. Well, most of the time. The all-new Mazda CX-5 makes space for almost anything. Anywhere, anytime.